Welcome to Innovin Foods. Today I am making a classic tea time favorite, crispy Shakarpara. Light, crunchy, mildly sweet and perfect with a cup of tea. In a bowl, take 1 cup flour. Add 3 tablespoons ghee. 1/4 teaspoon salt. Mix well until the flour becomes crumbly. Shakarpara is one of the oldest Indian tea time snacks. The name comes from the word sugar and pieces. Every region has its own traditional version. Add 1/3 cup water and make a soft dough. Always mix ghee well for perfect crispiness. Bind it lightly with your hands. Do not knead the dough too much, keep it light. And keep aside for 10 minutes. For the sugar syrup, take 1/2 cup sugar, 1/2 cup water, a pinch of cardamom powder, let it boil for 3 to 5 minutes until slightly sticky. Keep aside. Now take some dough and roll it evenly. Cut the edges. Then cut into small square pieces. Heat oil on medium heat and fry the squares for 5 to 6 minutes until they turn golden brown and crispy. Fry on medium heat to avoid uneven browning. Using homemade ghee adds good fats, less sugar compared to many sweets. Flour-based snacks keep you fuller longer, perfect for kids as a small treat. Now dip the warm Shakarpara in warm sugar syrup and mix gently so each pieces get a shiny coat. Dip only in warm syrup to keep the crunch. It stays fresh for weeks when stored properly. Your crispy tea time Shakarpara is ready, light, crunchy and delicious. Tell me which traditional snack you want next on Innovin Foods.